You are smoking like a chimney. Any more? Any more in the waiting room?
Sundaranam supposed to join.
Sitaram
Who?
Mataji.
Alright,
Jai
yeah.
Mata Di. Jai Mata Di.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning. Shobha
Good
here.
morning. Morning, Shobha. I'll give you your notes today.
Yeah, okay,
Acha.
ma'am.
Today, Sunday, the computer is mine. The charger is mine.
Okay, okay.
And Sunday, the chargers are mine. So I can do anything I want to do with it. And
Okay.
one more person is waiting. Who is waiting? Who is waiting? Who is waiting? Chandrasekhar, come in. Come in, Chandrasekhar. You can't come in. Okay. Okay. I think Chandrasekhar is not being able to come in. It is showing joining. The rest of the participants are here.
Yes,
Yes, yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Chandrasekhar is showing joining. One more person waiting. Who is the person waiting? And Debushish sir is not coming. He's lost his father-in-law. So sorry about that. We just hope that his soul rests in peace. Okay. Group chat. All of us are in. Shall we start? I think I'm not. Who's not coming in? Who's not? Everyone in the waiting room. Waiting room. Okay. Kumar, Sundar, Abhirami Chatterjee, Chandrasekhar, Tanmay, Amrita, Rekha, and Samrita. Okay, Chandrasekhar's come in, Kumar has come in, Samarpita has come in,
Yes,
Abhiram.
ma'am.
Yeah, all of you have come in. Good morning to everybody. Going the good. Today we are going to work with nakshatras. Okay, we are going to work with nakshatras. Before we go into the nakshatras, I have shared the screen, I think. Can you see my
Yeah.
screen here? Yeah, new share.
Right.
Yeah, I'll just make it a little small so that all the nakshatras come in. Okay. Is it coming in?
Ma'am, you were telling you will repeat some last class that day.
Who's this?
I'm Shobha here. That day were telling, no, like some half of
I
the
did.
people were not.
I did. You did not come in at that time?
No, like
I
half actually, even I missed. I attended only other half.
Okay, but I continued the same thing again, right? Anyway, if you, I'll send you the video. See if you
Okay.
understand. Don't understand, you come back to me. Okay.
If the first half video is there, then fine.
Yeah, it is in the videos and it even along with the speed, along with my voice. So I
Okay,
think
okay.
you should not have a problem. Okay.
Yeah, yeah,
Before
fine.
we go to the nakshatras and the placement of the nakshatras, I'll collect this and send it to you. I'll give you a small this thing. Nakshatras were probably come into our century way back in Hampi and Indus Valley civilization. Around that time itself, our rishis had found the nakshatras. Okay, the nakshatras are mentioned in the Rig Veda. It is mentioned in the Athurveda. There are nakshatras being mentioned. Right? The Chinese world as well as the Arab world uses nakshatras. Their their nakshatras, the Arabs call it the manzils. We call it nakshatras. I can't pronounce a Chinese word. I will type it and send it to you. Okay. So they all have nakshatra based. That means to say the entire Asian community, had a nakshatra based thought process. Okay, one more person. Please come in, Sheila. Okay. So they had this thought process of nakshatras. The nakshatras is considered to be, see, what we said, the zodiac is a 9-belt, you know, in the eastern horizon, and this 9-belt also. Sheila, are you in?
Yeah, I'm in, Gayatri. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so I think the words are very small for you to see. Okay, anyways, I'll come back to this portion later. I will
Okay.
rewrite it and send it to you. Okay. Now the thought processes are, there were actually 28 nakshatras. Okay. There were
Okay.
28 nakshatras. The entire Asia followed the nakshatra system. Okay. We called it nakshatras, the Arabs called it manzils, and the Chinese called it, I can't pronounce the name, I will write it and send it to you. Right. Now, these nakshatras thought process came to us long ago, much before the zodiac came into the existence. The only problem was the nakshatras were later designated to each planet or graha, and therefore we started following the graha system than following the nakshatra system. Correct. The usage of the nakshatras remained only to give us a principal idea about the, what you call it, the dasha bhuktis, like Vimshotri, Ashtotri, Yogini, Vimshotri, Ashtotri, Yogini, and yeah, these are the four main, Ashtotri, Vimshotri, and Yogini. These are the three main dashas which follow Yogini, which follow the, who else is coming? Yes, Kaushik, admit, come in, Kaushik. Okay. So today we are not having a problem for admitting. So the thing is, these nakshatras came into, like, we kind of put the nakshatras under each planet head. Okay. So by doing that, what happened? We lost the flavor of nakshatras. Okay, we lost the flavor of nakshatras, and we designated the nakshatras only to give us the dasha bhuktis like the Vimshotri, Ashtotri, and Yogini. Right. Now, the thought process is, none of our ancient astrologers or even the Parashara or Gemini or Paladipika has not given us a cut and dry situation that if your nakshatra is this, what are the designations of the 12 houses, was not given to us. Okay. Therefore, what we have also done, we have left the nakshatras and run behind the planets. Okay. That is the thought process. Before, there were 28 nakshatras, and this 28 nakshatras were divided. One nakshatra was divided into 12 degrees, 51 minutes and 3/4 of a second. Okay. It was divided like that. Thereby, it was making a complication to really put them together. It was giving us a complication to really put it together. Chinese still follow the 28 pattern, and Chinese still follow 12 degrees, 51 minutes, 3/4 of a second, but which is perfectly correct, because the moon goes round the earth in 27 days, 692,308 days. Actually, okay, the moon goes around the earth in 27.692308 degrees. But to make it easy for us, what the ancient astrologers said, they removed one nakshatra and made it 27 nakshatras, and they made it 13 degrees 20 minutes. Each nakshatra became 13 degrees 20 minutes. Have you understood or followed me till now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Each nakshatra has become, I think I'll go for a smaller icon. Each nakshatra has become 13 degrees 20 minutes instead of 12 degrees 51 minutes and 3/4 of a second. Okay. Thereby, we have removed one nakshatra and we have increased the duration of each nakshatra to 13 degrees 20 minutes. Okay. But when you take 13 degrees 20 minutes as the nakshatra cycle, then we will land up with 27.69 0.3 days cycle, which is wrong. Okay, which is really a wrong cycle. Oh, why is it showing this way? Okay, anyway, which is actually a wrong cycle. And whichever, I mean, are you listening? Can I hear everybody?
Yes, ma'am. Can
Yes,
you hear
ma'am.
me?
Yeah, ma'am.
I
Yes,
can hear.
yes.
Ma'am, one
Everybody here.
small request can I make?
Yeah.
Yeah, could you accept me again? Because then I'll get it on my iPad. I've got it on my phone, but I put it on the iPad also, and I think it needs your acceptance for it to come
Again,
through on iPad.
okay, come in. If you come in, I will click again.
Yeah, I put everything in, and
Okay, I'll admit you.
this,
Okay.
you'll
I
to
have
let-
admitted you.
Okay, thanks so much, ma'am.
Okay,
Becomes-
I have admitted everybody. Okay.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. So coming back to the nakshatras. So this is the story of the nakshatra, which is very important to remember that this is more than 40. It was around 14,000 BCE. That is before the common era. Okay. This nakshatras invention, or what we thought of the nakshatras. Basically, first it was the seasons, then it was the reason for the season, and then it was the nakshatra. Okay, so that's how it went on. And the nakshatra became more important only when you go and do one puja. You go to a temple and you say, the temple fellow will ask you, pujari will ask you what nakshatra you are born. You will just tell your nakshatra. But other than that, we did not get much. We did not get much of a result. We did not get much results from the nakshatra, or not many books have given us an input on the nakshatra other than the basic quality of the nakshatra. Okay, all of you can hear me, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now let us look at the nakshatra. The nakshatra, again there is a story behind it, that what is called Daksha had 27 children, correct? 27 girls. I think all of you know that.
Yes.
Daksha had 27 girls, and his brother, Sage Kashyap, had one daughter. Okay, Rohini. Moon god fell in love with Rohini. Okay, and he wanted to marry Rohini. But the Daksha said, we can allow you to marry Rohini only if you marry the rest of the 27 girls. Okay, right? That is the story behind the nakshatras and behind it being called as moon mansions. Okay, it is called the moon mansions because these nakshatras were the 27 girls of sage Daksha, and Rohini was the girl of sage Kashyap. And since the moon god was in love with Rohini, he had to marry all of them. Okay, this is the kind of a story which can also help you to remember your nakshatras or to remember them. Okay, now let us look at the nakshatras. Ashwini is the first nakshatra where we are saying that the sun will be at 00 degrees in Ashwini, which will be the first nakshatra. Okay, but the nakshatras are always from the moon. But here, when the beginning of the era started, they said at some point of time, at some century of time, the sun touched Ashwini, and therefore from then onwards, they said Ashwini will be the first star in the zodiac. Okay, so Ashwini is the first star, Bharani, Kritika. Now, if you go back to our Rashis are divided into 330 degrees each Rashi, 360 degrees the entire zodiac. Correct? Now, if I want, there are 4 padas of Ashwini. A nakshatra is divided into 4 padas. Each pada is 3 degrees 20 minutes. each pada is 3 degrees 20 minutes. Therefore, in 30 degrees of a Rashi, we can accommodate Ashwini 4 pada, Bharani 4 pada, and Kritika 1 pada. Okay, so the Aries zodiac or the Aries Rashi consists of Ashwini 4, Bharani 4, and Kritika 1. The Taurus consists of Kritika 3, Rohini 4, Mrigashirsha 2. Okay. Now, the Gemini consists of Mrigashirsha 2, Aridra 4, Punarvasu 3. Okay. Now, Cancer consists of Punarvasu 1, Pushya 4, and Ashlesha 4. Okay. That ends the first cycle. It is a very mathematical, mathematical thought process given by Sage Parashara. He says the 27 nakshatras will be divided into 3 lots. The first lot is Ashwini, Bharani, Kritika, Rohini, Mrigashira, Aridra, Punarvasu, Pushya, Ashlesha, starting from a fiery sign and ending in a watery sign. Okay. The next set, Makha, Kubha, Uttara, Hasta, Chitta, Swati, Vishaka, Anuradha, Jeshta is the second set. This second set again starts with a fiery sign and ends with the watery sign. And the third set is Moola, Purvashadha, Uttarashadha, Shravana, Dhanishta, Uttarashadha, Shravana, Dhanishta, Satabisha, Purvabhadra, Uttarabhadra, and Revati. This is the third tirade. So there are 3 tirades of nakshatras: Ashwini, Bharani, Kritika, Rohini, Mrigashira, Aridra, Punarvasu, Pushya, Ashlesha being the first tirade. Makha, Pubha, Uttara, Hasta, Chitta, Swati, Vishaka, Anuradha, Jeshta being the second tirade. Moola, Purvashadha, Uttarashadha, Shravana, Dhanishta being the third tirade. And Satabisha, Purvabhadra, Uttarabhadra, and Revati being the last third tirade. So now, if you look at my chart, I have put it in the same order. I have given you very clearly, each pada is 3 degrees 20 minutes. Each nakshatra is 13 degrees 20 minutes. Each rashi is 30 degrees. Each rashi can have 9 padas. 27 nakshatras is governed by 9 padas. Each planet is governs 3 nakshatras. Each planet governs 3 nakshatras. Now, Ashwini, now you take Ashwini, Makha, and Moola. Ashwini, Makha, Moola. Ashwini, Makha, Moola. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Ashwini, Makha, Moola. Ashwini here in Aries, Makha in Leo, and Moola in Sagittarius are ruled by Ketu. Now look at the beauty of it.
Oh, okay. Okay.
You see, this is a fiery sign. It's a fiery sign. This is the next fiery sign, and this is the third fiery sign. Okay, this is the third fiery sign. I'm getting this up. I'll just try and push this up a little bit if I can. Okay, and I'll make it a little more large. Okay, it goes off. If I make it large, it goes off. Okay, now can you see?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah. So what he has done, Ashwini, Makha, Moola. Fiery, fiery, fire. Ruled by Ketu. Bharani, Pubha, and Purvashadha. Ruled by Venus.
Oh,
Kritika, Uttara, and Purvashadha ruled by sun.
Uttara.
Uttarashadha, sorry, Uttarashadha ruled by sun. Okay.
Okay.
Now you have Mrigashira. Okay. Mrigashira ruled by Mars. Hastchitta ruled by Mars. Okay. And oh, I should have done Rohini. I'm sorry. Rohini, I have to do Rohini. After Kritika, I have to do Rohini. Rohini, 4 padas, is sitting in Taurus, is ruled by moon. Okay. First is always Ketu, Venus, Sun, Moon, Mars, Rahu, Jupiter, Saturn, Mercury. Okay. This is the tirade, or this is the system. So next is Rohini. Rohini is ruled by moon in an earthy sign. Hasta is ruled by moon in an earthy sign. And Shravana is ruled by moon in an earthy sign. Okay. Now, Mrigashisha. Now, Mrigashisha is divided into 2, just like Kritika is divided into 2, because each Rashi can only hold 9 padas. Each Rashi can hold only 9 padas. Therefore, he cuts Kritika into fiery sign and he cuts the other 3 Kritikas into earthy sign. So therefore, now what is the difference would be the first question that comes into your mind. Right?
Yes.
We will answer that question in the next set of classes. The Rohini is ruled by moon, which is a full earthy sign. Hasta is ruled by moon in a full earthy sign, and Shravana is ruled by the moon in the full earthy sign. All the 4 padas. Now, when we look at Mrigashisha, Mrigashisha, 2 padas is ruled by the earth sign and 2 padas is ruled by the airy sign. Correct? This
Yes.
2 padas is ruled by the earthy sign. These 2 padas are ruled by the airy sign. Right? Now, Aridra. Aridra is full 4 padas, is governed by Rahu, and it is in an airy sign. Okay. Now, here Swati is the next Rahu sign, which is 4 padas, is governed by Rahu in an airy sign. Okay. Satabhisha is also an airy sign and it is governed by Rahu, and all the 4 padas are in Satabhisha, in Kumbha or Aquarius. Right? Am I being clear enough?
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
Punarvasu. Punarvasu is a Jupiterian sign, is ruled by Jupiter, but he gave 3 padas to an airy sign and he gave 1 pada to a watery sign. He gave 3 padas to the airy sign and 1 pada to the watery sign. Similarly, Vishaka, he gave 3 padas to an airy sign and 1 pada to the watery sign. Here in Purvabhadra, he gave 3 padas into airy sign and he gave 1 pada of Jupiter to an
What
sign. All right, now, so you have understood the principal thought process. Pushya. Pushya, he gave it all to the watery signs. So you have Pushya ruled by Saturn in Cancer. You have Anuradha ruled by Saturn in Scorpio. And you have Uttarabhadra ruled by Saturn in Pisces. So all the watery signs got the Saturnian nakshatras. Okay. Then we have the last nakshatra, Ashlesha. Ashlesha is also given to the watery sign. Ashlesha is in this watery sign. Jeshta is in this Scorpio watery sign. And Revati is in this watery sign. So when here the thought process is Ashwini's rulership is Ketu. Ketu is, there is a proverb or there is a writing which says, Shani Vats Rahu, Kuja Vats Ketu. Okay? And Shani Vats Rahu, Kuja Vats Ketu.
Meaning of this, madam? Hello. Meaning of this?
I beg your pardon?
What is the meaning of this saying?
I'm coming. Yeah,
Okay.
Shani Vats Rahu. Like Shani is Rahu. Like Ketu, like Mars is Ketu.
Okay.
Okay. Now, therefore, the Ashwini is from the Ashwini Putras. The story behind Ashwini is very simple. I think most of us know it. Ashwini, I just take my Nakshatra book. It's one of the best books to learn read Nakshatra. Harness is Nakshatras, the Lunar Mansions, is one of the very good books. Right
By
now, Dennis
You,
Harness
ma'am.
by, stop the video. Dennis Harness. Can you see the book?
No, we couldn't get to see it.
No, ma'am.
No,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, I don't know why. Okay, anyway, I will send you the name of this book, Lunar Mansions of Vedic Astrology by Dennis M. Harness. I'll send you the name of this book. It's a very good book for us to get a basic idea about each nakshatra. What is the basic idea about each nakshatra? In the first nakshatra, Ashwini, I will not read the whole thing. Ashwini is ruled by Ram Mars. I have already this thing. Circle possess the horse, or the symbol is that of a horse. Ashwini symbol is that of a horse head. Here again, what the thought process is, the sun and his wife. What is his wife's name? I never get her name. I keep forgetting her name. Sun's wife. What is her wife's name? Sun. What? Who knows it?
Sandhya, no, ma'am.
Sandhya. Correct. Sandhya. Sun's wife is Sandhya. Okay. Now Sandhya couldn't take the heat of sun. So what she did, she made a chaya of herself and left the chaya with sun and went away to her mother's place. Okay. Suddenly the sun realized that chaya is not Sandhya. Okay. Due to the following stories behind it, when Shani, who is the son of Surya, touched the feet of Chaya, and Chaya kicked him. Okay, that's when Surya realized that Chaya is not his wife. I know it's very complicated, and I am not a great storyteller. I can do astrology very well, but storytelling somehow runs away from me. But that is the basic idea. So he found out that Chaya is not Sandhya, and so he went running to search for Sandhya. From there, he got the Ashwini Putras. He got the Ashwini Putras who had the ability to, time running out, 10 minutes, we'll definitely continue in the next class. So we got this Chaya to, Sandhya to give, they gave birth to Ashwini Putras is the thought process, and therefore the horse's head became the, symbol for Ashwini. Now Bharani is considered to be he says the union of the feminine Venus and masculine male Mars reflects the creative potentiality of great artistic talents. The symbol of this nakshatra is a yoni. The symbol of this nakshatra, Bharani nakshatra, is a yoni.
Okay.
Everybody knows what's the meaning of a yoni.
Ma'am.
Venus. So here we are talking about an Ashwini getting associated with Ketu. Therefore, Ashwini and Ketu and Mars are the same. Here we are talking about Bharani, which is ruled by Venus, and the Rashi Lord is Mars. Therefore, we are getting the creativity of the Yoni. Right? So, Yoni, the one who bears. She who bears is called a Yoni. She who bears is called a Yoni. Or
She who,
okay.
kindly repeat, she who?
She who bears. She who bears is called a Yoni. Okay. Now, Kritika is ruled by Sun, and half of Kritika is, one portion of Kritika is ruled by Mars and Sun combination. The other part of Kritika is ruled by Venus and Sun. Now, a Mars-Sun combination gives us great, how can we put it? Great knowledge, great ideas, brilliance, brightness. If you ask on the day-to-day man, how it affects the man or how it affects influences us. So whichever planet is associated with Kritika, first pada, the need, because this will be, see, 13 degrees 20 minutes is the nakshatra pada of Ketu. Then 13 degrees 20 minutes to 26 degrees 40 minutes will be the pada of Bharani. Correct? And Kritika will be 26 degrees 40 minutes to 30 degrees. Correct? So you have to make these breakups. You have to sit and do it. 1 pada, 2 pada, 3 pada. The first pada of Ashwini will be 0 degrees to 3 degrees 20 minutes. The second pada of Ashwini will be 3 degrees 20 minutes to 6 degrees 40 minutes. The third pada of Ashwini will be 6 degrees 40 minutes to 10 degrees. Okay. The fourth pada of Ashwini will be 10 degrees to 13 degrees 20 minutes. Okay. So that is the way we cut. Now the fifth pada will fall in Bharani. The fifth pada will fall in Bharani. Okay, now fifth pada, that means to say 13 degrees 20 minutes to 13 degrees 20 minutes to 16 degrees 40 minutes will be the first pada of Bharani. Is it too confusing?
No, ma'am.
Understood idea?
No.
No.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let me give you a breakup. Let me try and break it up for you. Okay, let's do it. Yeah. Now, yeah, I've written it here. 0 degrees to 20 degrees is first
20
pada. Okay. First pada. Okay. 3 degrees 20 minutes to 6 degrees 40 minutes is 6 degrees 40 minutes. Sorry. 6 degrees 40 minutes, second pada. Okay. 6 degrees 40 minutes to 10 degrees 00 minutes is the third pada. Okay. 10 degrees 00 to 13 degrees 20 minutes is the fourth pada. This ends one nakshatra. Okay. This ends one nakshatra. Right? Fourth pada. Now, fourth pada. Now, let us look at the fifth pada. Fifth pada, 13 degrees 20 minutes to 16 degrees 40 minutes is the fifth pada. And this will become Bharani. This will become Bharani. Understood?
Yes.
At whichever Rashi you are starting, the first pada is 0 degrees to 20 degrees. So 3 degrees 20 minutes to 6 degrees 40 minutes is the second pada. 6 degrees 40 minutes to 10 degrees is the third pada. 10 degrees to 13 degrees 20 minutes is the fourth pada. Now the fifth pada will start from 13 degrees 20 minutes to 16 degrees 40 minutes. The sixth pada, which will fall, this is falling in Bharani, 16 degrees 40 minutes, 16 degrees, 16 degrees 40 minutes will go to 20 degrees, the sixth pada. Okay, then 20 degrees 00 to 23.20 will be seventh pada. Okay, 23.2 degrees, 23.2 degrees to 26.4 degrees is the eighth pada. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now this finishes this second nakshatra Bharani. Okay. Then I have one more pada left. 26 degrees 40 minutes to 30 degrees
Is
0,
Kritika.
30 degrees 00 is the
Is-
ninth pada,
Kritika.
which will go to Kritika. Which will go to Kritika. Are you understanding the logic?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Now, this is the same theory has to be put over here. Now, Kritika first pada is at 26 degrees 30
30.
minutes. 26 degrees 40
Yes.
minutes to 30 degrees. The second pada of Kritika will be, if you take it from Taurus, will be 0 degrees to 3 degrees 20 minutes in Taurus will be the second pada. Okay? And 3 degrees 20 minutes to 6 degrees 40 minutes will be the third pada. 6 degrees 40 minutes will be the third pada. 6 degrees 40 minutes to 10 degrees will be the fourth pada, completing Kritika.
Okay, ma'am.
Correct, no? I have got one pada over here. So here the pada will end at 10 degrees.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you understood, all of us?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Here Kritika will end at 10 degrees. Okay? And Rohini will begin at 10 degrees and end at 16 degrees. See, Rohini will begin at 10 degrees.
And ended.
Correct? Rohini will begin at 10 degrees and end in 26 degrees 40 minutes.
23 degree 20 minutes, man.
20,
3 degree 20 minutes.
हाँ, एक पादा, दो पादा, तीन पादा, चार पादा, 23
10
degrees,
हाँ.
40 minutes. ठीक है? Then we have Kritika 2 padas, Mrigashira has 2 padas. That will be the last 2 padas of the
Good.
house. 23 degrees, 40 minutes से लेकर 30 degrees तक.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we are very much in tune with this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, right. So here, if you want, I will give you the write-ups of each nakshatra